Hello students, welcome to my new YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain the mathematics of class 10th, chapter number 1, real numbers, introduction. To understand the other concept of this chapter, first you should know the basic definition which we studied in your previous classes. In this video, I am just revising that all basic things which we require to understand for the further concept in this chapter. So the first basic thing definition is natural numbers. So what is natural numbers? So all the counting numbers are called natural numbers which we are using in our daily life, 1, 2, 3 and so on, that all numbers are called as natural numbers. Coming to the whole number, 0 along with all numbers are together called whole numbers. In this whole number, the 0 also will be there. So along with 0, it starts from the 0. So that all numbers are called as a whole number. Now what is integer? So all the numbers from negative and positive along with a 0 known as integers. Integers is nothing but all the numbers negative as well as positive along with the 0 known as integers. Now what is real number? Our chapter name is also a real number. So the real number is nothing but all rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. I hope you understand. So now what is rational number? First we should know. So the rational number is nothing but real number of the form of p by q. Any real number which is in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0, all the integers can be expressed as rational. For example, 5 by 1, where 5 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator. In the denominator where q is not equal to 0, here in the place of 5 by 1, if here it is 0, then it will not be rational number. Where q is not equal to 0, then only it is in the form of rational number. I hope you understood. So now coming to the what is irrational number, real numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Examples of the rational number will be root 2, root 3 and root 5. So easily you can understand, remember that which are in the form of p by q, which are in the form of p by q, that are rational numbers. Which are not in the form of p by q, that are called irrational number. I hope you understood. So this all are the basic definitions which we require to understand the other concept of this chapter. Now coming to the theorem. Now theorem number 1. In this chapter, the theorem number 1 is all about the division algorithm. So in this theorem, the given positive integer is a and b. There exists a unique pair of whole number q and r satisfying is nothing but in this theorem a is equals to bq plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. So this is the very most important formula which we are using in entire chapter. Okay, have you understood? Example, they will give this example, this type of question. Find the HCF of the following by using division algorithm. They will give these two values, two positive integers a and b. So by using this formula, we have to do we have to find the HCF. Now if they said only find the HCF by using division algorithm, then you simply what you have to do, by listening that name division algorithm, you should have to do the division. So a and b, two positive integers are given, you should divide that, and as you know, this all are the basic things. This called as a divisor. The number which we are dividing, this number is called as a dividend, and this answer what we are getting, it is called quotient, and the remainder will be the r, 0. So separately we will divide that all things, and in this formula we will substitute all the values, where a is equals to divisor will be 50 and the b will be 70, because a is equal to bq plus r, which is in the form of dividend, is nothing but for what number we are dividing. So that is called as a dividend is equal to divisor, by using which number we are dividing, that is the divisor, into quotient. What answer we got it, that quotient plus remainder. It is in the form of A is equals to B cube plus R, where A is the dividend, B is the divisor, Q is the quotient and R is the remainder. So just substitute all this value in this format, then you can easily find out the HCF by using the division algorithm. But another important method is there to understand the division algorithm. We will find the HCF by using the other type of division, that is called as a Euclid division algorithm. So to calculate the HCF, highest common factor of two positive integers A and B, we use Euclid division algorithm. This is the division algorithm, all about division algorithm, but somewhat little slight difference will be there in Euclid division algorithm. So first you should know the HCF is the largest number which exactly divide two or more positive integers. In this video, I explain you about the theorem number 1 is only all about division algorithm. I hope you understood this theorem number 1 and all the basic things what I have discussed in this video. In the another video, I am going to explain you about the Euclid division algorithm in detail, which is the most important topic in this chapter. If you have any doubt related to this chapter, you can comment and ask me the questions. Like my channel, subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you for watching.